So in this video, I want us to pay attention to the video on the screen because this is exactly how your car engine works. Have you ever wondered how fuel turns into motion inside a car engine? Let me break it down. An internal combustion engine produces power by burning fuel inside the engine cylinder. The crankshaft converts piston motion into rotation connected by the connecting rod. So what happens in an internal combustion engine? In an internal combustion engine, four things happen: the intake stroke, the compression stroke, the power stroke, and the exhaust. In the intake stroke, valve open and the piston pull the mixture of air and fuel. The rocket arm and the valve spring helps to control the air and fuel flow. While in the compression stroke, the piston moves up and squeeze the air and fuel mixture, thereby increasing its power. In the power stroke helps to push the piston down, and a spark plug ignites the mixture, thereby creating explosion that push the piston down. And what now happens? The oil flows from the oil pump to the oil pump, then to the filter before going into the engine to lubricate the moving components. Now finally, which is the last part of it, the exhaust. The exhaust helps to push out the burn gas through the exhaust valves, and this cycle repeats itself 1,000 times per minute, turning fuel into motion. So this is how your car engine works. This is exactly the video tests it all, how your car engine works.